Hi everyone, this is Rajesh Kumar. In this video, we'll see how we can install Ubuntu 18.04 LTS in our computer or laptop system. So for that one, you need two things. First, you need a ISO file, that is operating system, whatever you want to install. And the next thing is you want to create a bootable pen drive. For that one, you need a software. You can either use Rufus or Power ISO. I'm currently using Power ISO. You can use Rufus also for creating bootable pen drive. So for that one, let's see how we need to create this. The basic steps are like just open Power ISO. Already open here Power ISO. So let me just cut it. So just open Power ISO here. You can see here, just open Power ISO. So I can give a link also for that one, so you don't need to worry about, or you can simply download it from its official site. So the next thing what you need to do is create a bootable pen drive. So for that one, you need to download ISO file. So for Ubuntu 18.04 LTS, you can download it from its official site. You can download the current latest version. Just for demonstrating purpose, I already have 18.04 in my system, so I am demonstrating it. So just create bootable pen drive. You need to use in official mode. So for that one, just opening administrative one. So continue. Now you need to select your ISO file. So I am going to select this Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. In this video, I will also show how you can install Windows 10, and this one is a Windows 11. So in this series, I will make some videos on how you can install Windows 10 and Windows 11, and what are the special things you will get in Windows 11 apart from Windows 10, and how the GUI look like for Windows 11 also. So for that one, just select window. For this one, we are going to select Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. So just start it. It will showing pop up like your all data will going to be removed, and this pen drive is going to be created in a bootable format. So generally it takes some time, like 4 to 5 minutes, depends on the speed of your laptop and mobile. Like different things I already installed many times, so I know it took some time, like 4 to 5 minutes. So I'm pausing it here because it is not so important for showing same thing. So I'm pausing it, and when it going to be successfully installed, or after installation, I will show the next steps. So it is going to be just completed. So this is how you can create a pen drive in bootable format. So writing USB drive completed successfully, it is showing. So the next thing, we will go to our system. This you can either install it on computer or laptop. So we are going to switch on new system where we want to install Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. So I'm pausing it, and we will see the next steps in new system. So we are on new system. So just start the booting system. So for that one, in different laptop, different booting keys are option. You can search it from Google. My new system is HP1. So for that one, just uh, select this BIOS key, and in my system it is escape key. Just select the power button and keep pressing escape key. Now here you need to select the boot menu, like from where you want to select it. So for that one, just press F9. For that one, just select F9. It will ask from where you want to install it. So if you want to install only Ubuntu in your system, so select from USB flash drive. So it will ask whether you want to install, or just without install you want to try it. So just select install Ubuntu. So from here it will ask further steps. So Generally, it took some time because it is asking many things like what are the timestamp, name, password, some other fields, and whether you want to make it dual boot or triple boot. Means inside a system you can install many operating system based on compatibility. So it is going to be open. So from here you just select here English and just keep selecting. These are by default, and if you want to change, so here it is asking whether you want to normal install or minimal. I am doing minimal because in normal installation many other things are also going to be installed like media player, game software. I can do it after installation, so just I am going to do like this way. So minimal installation. So in the next thing it will ask like just wait until it gets switched to the next one. It will ask. It took some time, so let's wait. So it's better I will pause it because I don't know how much time it took. So this is the next screen after that one. So here it is saying you want to, I already installed it, but for demonstrating purpose how you can install. So this option is showing on here. You can reinstall Ubuntu because I already installed it. So you can erase Ubuntu and reinstall it, it is saying. And here if you don't have any important data in your laptop or system, you can choose this one, erase the entire disk and install Ubuntu. So I don't have any special or any important data in my this system, so I'm going to erase everything and install a fresh Ubuntu. So for that one, just select the erase and disk and install Ubuntu. So I'm installing it. So it will erase everything and it will start. So it is asking where. So these are the basic things. You can just, let's say randomly you can give any name. Let's say I give Arun. If you wish, you can give any password. Let's say any password give. If you want, just give anything for, and this password you can change after complete installation. So it took some time, depend on again what are the things it is going to be installing. So I'm again going to pause it until it's get new screen. It is going to be copying. If you want to know more further what are the things it is copying, you can view from here. So these are the things which is going to be copied in the system. So this is going to copy these things, like these are some index file and some. So these are the things it is going to be installed. These are the music player and these are Spotify, and so it is taking some time, so I'm pausing it. We'll see after that what are the next steps it is coming. Okay, so our installation is completed. So here this pop-up is showing you need to restart the computer in order to use the installation. So I am going to restart it. So then I will show how our Ubuntu 18.04 LTS is look like. So for that one I am removing the pen drive. So I removed it. So let's see our starting screen. So this is how our window Ubuntu 18.04 LTS look like. So just wait for some time. It took some time for booting. because this is our first time when we install a fresh Ubuntu 18.0 for LTS. So just wait until it's get started. So this is how Ubuntu is going to start. So it is showing Ubuntu now. It is showing like so the screen is come out for Ubuntu 18.0 for LTS. So it is taking some time, so let's wait for some time. I think system is somewhat okay. This is how our screen is came out. So this is the screen for our Ubuntu 18.04 long-term support. So from here we'll see our about configuration for system configuration. So when you start a fresh Ubuntu, it will guide you. So here it will showing our Ubuntu 18.0 for LTS, our memory guidelines. These are the things. So when you install a fresh Ubuntu, it will guide you how you can use it, these all. So done. This is how you can install a Ubuntu 18.0 for LTS. So in this video, that's it for it. So in this series, in the next video, I will demonstrate you how you can install Windows 10 or Windows 7, 8 and other versions of Linux like Parrot, Kali Linux, and finally I will install Ubuntu, and next one is Windows 11. So that's it for in this video. Thanks for watching everyone.